Previously on Tales of Smitty West.
Come on, somebody. Come on now. Now, the word is still out, and I can't confirm it, and I can't deny it. If this is even real, I'm just telling you what I heard. You dig it? We was turning over a new leaf, 63 years young, looking to be a better man. Can you dig it? Better, stronger, faster. What happens to a man that just want to do the right thing and encounters something wild and crazy? Your cuz don't even have a clue. Oh no, Wilbur! Don't step into the light, Wilbur! No, don't step into the light! Oh. Come on, out of all the people in the park, poor Wilbur? Come on, out comes a savagely horrifying beast in Chickasaw County? Come on now. What you're witnessing is something crazy. What you're witnessing is something straight out of the X-Files. Now, I'm just the messenger here, bringing you the news hot off the press. Now, Wilbur said this is how it went down in Chickasaw County, and now I'm just bringing you the lowdown, dirty, can you dig it? Now, if you look closely, it appears as though Wilbur's doing a triple-double spin and lands right on his side. Real talk. Will was always stretching the truth when he tells a story. But for some crazy reason, I'm always listening. The last time I spoke to Wilbur, he was home, alive, and well. Did this really happen in Chickasaw County? Who knows? Until next time, later.